how to add a Snapchat widget to the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button at the top left. Once you are in edit mode, tap on the Add Control button at the bottom. Then we scroll down to the Capture section. In here, tap on Snapchat, and that will get added to your control center. If you would like to remove it, just tap on the Remove button. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the control center, or to close the control center, you can swipe up again. Now, when you want to quickly launch the Snapchat camera, you can pull down the control center and then tap on the Snapchat icon. And that will immediately launch Snapchat with the camera turned on, so you can quickly take a snapshot and then send to everyone. And tap on send. And that's it. So that is how you can add or remove the Snapchat widget to the control center. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.